riding my new bike.
Yeah, riding bikes is...
Are you okay? Look out! Ow!
Sounds like somebody's giving a ride to germs.
Combat Carl?
Combat Carl never gets sick, but if he did, he'd cover his cough. Coughs deliver microscopic germs that spread illness to others.
What if I cover my cough with my hand?
Your hand? Your hand can spread those germs to the rest of the squad. Stick with the plan, don't cough in your hand. Do no harm, cough in the arm.
Cough in the arm? Gee, thanks, Combat Carl.
Combat Carl never gives up. Combat Carl finds a way. Stay in school.
Combat Carl.